Hello, everybody, again from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your great comments. The previous tutorials are very important about the audit report and the audit findings list, and the before it, the corrective and preventive action. So they are very, very important topics. Today we'll talk about some kind of light sorry, about some kind of light record, which is the training records in your HACCP plan. So we will start the date of training when we have this training. Okay, what are the benefits of training records or training program in your organization that all the personnel are adequately trained on HACCP principles, enhancing the food safety culture and compliance and applying to the international food safety standards and also local requirements for the training. Okay. What are the date of the training? What are the training topic? What you are talking about? Okay. The training type. What are the training type? Either it's just an awareness, either it's the general training with exam, or it's an on-job training. So you need to go down to the lines and make the trainings there. Okay, or implement the trainings there, or execute the training physically on ground or on the machine or the field itself. What are the training name? What are the training qualifications? Either he's an elite auditor, either he is just certified from some accreditation body, whatever, but it's better to have the trainer qualification. Okay, what are the trainer company? Either he is an internal training from the department named blah blah, or from external agency, which is or external company, which is a training company. What are the participants' name? It's preferred to have clear triple name. For example, Mark, Dan, Thomas. So his name is separated, not Mark Thomas. No, make the name separately. It's better because maybe you have two employees having the same name of the father and same name of himself and his father, for example. But very important for to have the participant name and his own signature, because it's an verification, it's an evidence that that he have participated the training. The participant department, which department he is related to. This participant department is very important, especially in the health and safety trainings, because, for example, the confined space training for the employees related to, or for the technical team related to the maintenance for the huge tanks. So when you are training confined space, you are leaving the technical team, which is making activities in the tank areas or making maintenance in the tank areas, and you are training sorry, the electrical or the electricity engineers or the electricity technician teams, which are most of their activities are on the electricity panels in different area without any confined space requirements. So who is in the job of the confined space are the most important to be trained on the different standards or different requirements. So the department is very important. What are the verification method of your training? Just you are wasting your time, because if you don't have any verification method for your training, either the trainer himself, either the material itself, either his body language, his participation, his questions, his listening skills, his time management. Without these parts, you can't have a clear or strong training on your not only your HACCP plan or HACCP training or food safety training, whatever the training type you have mentioned. So the best thing are the either exam and feedback, either multiple choice questions, or oral when there is on-job trainings or whatever. But it's better, of course, to have the verification method and the result of this verification method, because you're not saying yes, he's fine. No, please not say yes and no. Please say numbers. Yes, this either to the exam. They have 10 questions. He passed from eight questions, so he is passed as 80%. No, he failed less than 80%. Okay, who verified this exam or who verified this training also must be mentioned. If there is any additional notes or observations, what are the training duration? Because sometimes you are having target to train each employee, or we have mentioned as FTE, which is full-time employee, for example, to be trained 20 hours per year. So you must mention here what are the training duration, what are the location of the training, either it's a meeting room, either it's an office, whatever the place, either it's in the warehouses or the production areas, and finally what are the, sorry, training materials provided, either it's an external training material, internal training material, website, online, whatever the materials provided. I can guarantee for you that if you follow this part about the training records, you will have a very excellent training records for your facility. Best of luck for all of you, and please don't forget to share and like and subscribe my channel. Best of luck of all of you from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel, and goodbye.